So when does CMMC become a reality? So CMMC has definitely had its challenges along the way. We at Simple Helix, we've been tracking it since version 0.4. CMMC version 1 went live basically in, I'll say, February of 2020.
Yeah.
And then version 1 had its challenges, a lot of pushback, things like that. Come 2021, CMMC version 2 gets born. So now we've been anticipating version 2 to become the law.
Right.
So where are we in that journey? So for that, we waited for a long time for OIRA to do their what they call the rulemaking process. They were supposed to do that in 60 days. It took them 150 days. But that finally moved right there basically at Thanksgiving time frame for final proposed rule to get published in the Federal Register in December. That then went to open public feedback for 60 business days. Those 60 business days just elapsed here in March of 2024. And now it moves on to where it now becomes a law, which means it's got to go in front of Congress. We have to factor in the sense that this is an election year. The timeline as it stands as of April of 2024 is that we're really looking for it to become law in March of 2025. That is where we're at on the timeline. When will it actually be fully implemented in contracts? So for the longest time, we have seen, hey, it's all going to be 2026. It's going to be 2026. Here recently, that goalpost finally has moved to 2028.
Yeah.
So there is at least some sense that, hey, the final goalpost did get moved. For a long time, we've been, hey, in 2020, it was going to be 2026 is the end game. And then 2021 comes by. But and so that just keeps, your time to implement just shrinks every day. And then, you're sitting there going, okay, well, you guys are going to make this a final law in March of 2025, but you're supposed to go live 2026 with this. There's no way that 600 companies in the defense industrial base are going to implement and get through audit in a year or 6 months. So it is nice that needle finally got moved out to 2028.